Hello everyone, welcome back to A Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here we do budgeting and all the different things. Just hit subscribe if any of that budget related content resonates with you. Hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will help push my videos out to other people. Let's get right into today. So it is going to be one of my Black Friday videos. I ordered some things that have not come in yet, which I think are going to take a little bit longer due to they were bought from smaller businesses. But I just want to give you a breakdown of what I bought. I did have money that was sent to me that I've been putting away in Tara's Treat Yourself fund, as well as money that I had in Just Keep Swimming that I used towards Black Friday. I will give myself a pat on the back that I was much better this Black Friday than I was last Black Friday, although last Black Friday I had saved money. However, I went way over that money. I had like $3,000 worth of things, which were TVs, 2 TVs, laptops, and things like that, which I needed, and I'm glad I have. I have no regrets. I've been using my laptop to its fullest advantage this year and everything. I watched my TVs and all the things I purchased, for the most part, I'm using. There are a few things that I bought that I'm like, you're gonna need to open that, girl. But that's neither here nor there. I will say I might have went over a little bit this year, but I did not go crazy, and small steps. So let's go over what I picked up. Let me tell you where I shopped. So I shopped at the bigger stores that I shopped at were Amazon, Walmart, and Target. I'm going to show you Amazon. I'm going to show you Walmart today because, of course, their shipping is a lot faster. And Target, the items I bought were not for me. They were for a friend, and I shipped them directly to their house. So you will not see that. And it's a surprise, so I can't even show you pictures. And then as far as the smaller stores, I purchased items from Gold Mine & Cocoa, which was stationery planner store, another black owned business. I bought a few things, maybe like 3 things from Cloth and Paper, because I wanted to support them as a black owned, woman owned business as well. And then I purchased something from Nash's Wallet, which is also a budgeter on here. She is also a woman owned small business that works out in New York in her studio. So those are my people, and 2 of the things I purchased from her are actually going towards the 2 people that won my giveaway for, and I hit 1,000. So, but I'll be showing you all of those. But let's get into it, okay? Because we've been talking for 3 minutes and y'all ain't seen nothing. So Amazon first. First thing I bought was motion sensor lights. These motion sensor lights are supposed to be like, they're going in my pantry. I've been wanting to put some lights in my pantry, and I believe these were on sale for like $14.99 or something like that on Black Friday. They're peel and stick with a magnetic back, and you attach, and then the lights are supposed to be automatic and come on and off as you come in. I also believe it comes in 3 or 4 different brightnesses. It has 3: warm white, neutral, and cool white options. So I'm excited to put those in my pantry because the pantry actually has been staying really well. This is going to be our little ambient light because y'all know the lights, it's been going away. So we're going to use what we got in a little tree vibe back there, you know. So the next thing I got was Advanced Snail N2. It's a COSRX or COSRX. I'm not really sure how it's said, but it is a Snail Mucin moisturizer. A lot of people was talking about it, and it was only, I think, $11 to give it a try. It's a lot less than my Clinique. However, I bought another serum last sale, and it irritates my face. My skin has not been great. Like, I keep getting breakouts and all in this area and this area, and I just feel like as a teenager, I didn't have these problems, and now as a whole adult, I'm having issues. Anyway, this is Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream formulated with 92% snail secretion filtrate. This cream helps naturally create the appealing glow of healthy skin. I don't care about the glow, to be honest. I really just want to make sure it moisturizes. So a lot of people have been saying that it works. It's a good size jar, about the same size as my other one, but this is only 11 bucks. So if this works, I'm just trying to find something to replace my Clinique, because my Clinique has worked in the past, but it's so expensive. So if I can find something that works as good, then I would replace it. We're trying things out, but I think that's the last thing I'm going to try, and the next step is dermatologist. So the next thing I bought from the sale was more of like that was definitely a want. It's really cute. I actually had no idea about these. My friend actually told me about this. Hold on, let me get a scissor. One of my gym people actually told me about this. These are just straw covers, and I like y'all know I love my water holder, so I'm opening it, and I take it everywhere, and it does help me drink more water, the whole purpose. However, whenever I drop it, I'm always getting mad because there's nothing on top of the cover, and I'm like, dang, but I never thought there were anything called that. So I got the ones in bears. I think they were like $6 and some change, and I got 3. They have a whole bunch of different ones. I just like the bears, and I love that they look neutral. And so this is what it looks like. This is like one of them. And there are ones that come with more than 3. And here's the brown bear. And here's like the tan bear. So cute. So I have a gray cup, so I'm just going to put a white bear on there because it's the most neutral. I'm going to use all of them more than likely. But let's just try this one out. So my cup is always nearby. I really do use it. And it slips on down like that. Oh, look. And now it's got a little bear cup. It's a little loose. I think they were really made for Stanley's. I think it'll stay on. Boop. Boop. Adorbs. I love it. I love it. So cute. And functional. Form and function. I love it. And then I also picked up from Amazon something for my couches, because they were on sale, I think, for 2 for $15.95 or something. Everything will be linked down below. I don't want to tell you what it was and wasn't. So these look just like the ones I had on the other couch. Same brand, Mueller. I don't think I showed y'all. Mueller. I really should learn this brand because I buy a lot of things from them. A lot of my pillow covers and my even curtains come from them. I like them. Their fabrics, at least the velvety kind. So this is red velvet 20 by 20 pillow. And so there's 2 of them, and it looks like it's got probably like that invisible zip. Yep. And this is gonna go on the couch because I just wanted to be a little more cohesive with the red this year. So there's just 2 of them. Oh, I just threw them over there with the other pillows I got, and I really like it. All right. So if the color keeps changing, my TV is like on changing prints or whatever. And then the last thing I got from Amazon, which was also this one wasn't a need really. It was just, they were on sale and I really thought they were pretty, so I want to give them a try. And this came much more nicely wrapped, but I took the wrapping off. It'll be linked down below. It's just a washi tape roll. And I think this is such a cute idea. So I bought it. It comes like kind of taped right here, but they're blank. So this first sticker kind of got chopped off. But look, they're all little doll stickers with little quotes on them. And I like that there were brown girls too. So look at that. I love it. I just love it. Be patient with love. That's what that says. So it's like these doll stickers with I'm doing this for me. And there's doll stickers and their little quotes. So I think you can cut around them or cut across, and see the quotes are all over the place. I'm so excited. Oh, look at her. She's so chic. Look at her. Come through. So there's a whole roll of these. I'm not sure if it repeats or if you get different ones all the way down. But I'm so excited to, I'm pretty sure you just cut off what you need and then you peel. Yeah. All right, and so then I ordered some things from Walmart, but one of my things, it said was delayed or tried to deliver it, didn't. They never tried to deliver it. I just think they did not have it. I don't think they had it. I think they're supposed to be refunding me for it. I'll be watching. It was a Carol's Daughter product, the cream that I've been using in my hair. I really like it. So it was on sale for like 11 something, and then it never got delivered. So there was that. Either way, so moving on. Another hair product, usually on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I like to look for hair products that I'd like to try so they're a little bit less money for the time being. So this one was one of them. I heard everybody talking about the Doux. So anytime I'm trying a product out, I try to use the cream or like a gel from them. The gel was on sale. This is called Big Poppa. A lot of their things are named after like songs, I feel. And so defining gel, popping curls for all curl types. This is what it comes. It's a really big bottle for 11 something. I mean, they don't got nothing on like Eco Styler gel, which you get a huge bottle for like $5-6. It smells okay. This is the consistency of it. Next thing I purchased, which was not a need at all, I just saw it and thought it was so cute. I was like, I'm drinking all my holiday drinks in this. And it was this cute little holiday time. It's a big jar. It's like a 20-ounce drinking glass. And it's got little deers on it. So cute. And a little red straw. And it was only $2 and some change. So I was like, I'm not buying any mugs. So this would be cute. Even if I'm just drinking my water out of it. And the last thing I picked up were these JLab Earbuds. They were 32 plus hours of playtime. They're color black, Go Air Pros. There were no other colors left by the time I got to them. And I only bought these because I'm constantly losing one of my earbuds trying to transfer them back and forth from work to home. So one of these are going to stay at home. Like the one I wear to work might stay at work. Those are Tozos I got from Amazon like 2 years ago. Love them. They work amazing. And then these might be like my just keep in your purse headphones for when I'm out or on the go. This is what they look like. It's very much like the case I already have. Except this is a little wider and smaller. And this is what, rude. And that's what the earbuds look like. For $9.98, if they connect and I can hear, and they don't say they're like, let's see what they claim to do. 32 hours Bluetooth playtime, dual connect either earbud, MEMS microphone for clear calls, so it takes the calls, lab quality sound with custom EQ, EQ3. It comes with a charging port in the box. Or no, the charging port is actually a part of this. You just pull this out and plug it into a charger. It comes with 3 sets of gel earbuds. That's it. It doesn't say anything about like noise canceling or anything like that. So I'm not expecting anything wonderful for $9.98. But if it works or it's an extra pair of earbuds for me, at my job, baby, I need to have extra earbuds. I need to leave earbuds at work because the way some people be talking all day at the job like they ain't got nothing to do, it irritates me. So I need to have headphones on so I don't hear it. But y'all, that is all I have for you guys today. I am like, I'll be back when the other orders show up. I don't expect them to be here probably for like 2 weeks normal shipping time. So we'll see. I'm so excited for the stationery stuff because I hear such good things about cloth and paper. I only bought like 3 things, but still I can see the quality. And Goldmine and Coco, I've bought some stickers from them in the past, a long time ago. So I expect good quality from them as well. And they were having an amazing sale. And the Nash's wallet, I'm excited to get my wallet. And the 2 other starter kits I got for the 2 people who won my giveaways to put with their binders. excited for that as well. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, always be great. You have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye.